How to avoid common mistakes in real estate investing. Real estate investing can be a profitable venture, but it's vital to navigate it wisely to avoid common pitfalls. In today's video, we'll explore some mistakes to steer clear of and enhance your investment success. First, skipping proper research. Always study the local market trends, neighborhood developments, and property values before making a commitment. Ignoring these could lead to poor investment choices. Next, overestimating rental income. It's easy to assume that properties will always be fully occupied, but this is not always the case. Consider potential vacancies and maintenance costs when calculating expected returns. Third, neglecting a solid financial plan. Ensure you have a comprehensive budget that accounts for unexpected repairs, property management fees, and other unforeseen expenses. This will help maintain positive cash flow and reduce the chance of financial strain. Another common mistake is failing to vet tenants thoroughly. Conduct thorough background checks and verify references to minimize the risk of problematic tenants who may cause damage or fail to pay rent. Additionally, underestimating the time commitment. Real estate investing is not a passive endeavor. Be prepared to allocate time for property management, tenant issues, and continuous market evaluation. Lastly, not seeking professional advice. Consult with real estate agents, lawyers, and financial advisors to make informed decisions and avoid costly errors. By being aware of these common mistakes and taking steps to prevent them, you can improve your chances of success in real estate investing. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and give this video a like. Thank you for watching.